as you know, today's fashion show, it is called the Weaves of the Natives. We sometimes do not know our culture, we don't know our history. We have to sometimes dwell a little deeper, and that's how today, this evening, it's basically a Kunbi show where the finest fabric, I would say, a humble fabric, has been taken to its heights by renowned designer Vama de Mello by presenting this show along with Sadhna, who is the managing director of this Bogmalo Beach Resort, to a different level altogether, to showcase Goa's culture, to showcase our Kunbis, our communities of yesteryears, as to what was their way of life, what is it that they used to do. As I came along, you have seen the traditional costumes, you have seen the weaving of flowers, the weaving of coconut leaves, which used to be the thatched roof over everybody's houses. Later on, all the modern material came, but before that, those were the times we lived in. So people should get to dwell into seeing what was there in the past, and that is what this show is all about. At the same time, this particular I should say event will showcase the Kunbi fabric to its glory, I would say, because already Vama de Mello has got several awards, whether it is in Paris, whether it is in Venice now. The latest award, she is going to be presented at on a world stage. So that means she has reached great heights to be there present for these huge festivals. Cannes festival, which is I should say is like making a statement. I have reached the international level. It was there that she was called and she dressed up some of the renowned personalities, the top personalities of the world, whether in the film world or the business world and all that. So this way she also has been doing her bit, not only designing clothes for people, but also trying to maintain and showcase the true tradition of Goa, and that's how this full thing about Kunbi came up. Basically, आमी जेन्ना मुडावीक वचना, आमचीच संस्कृती कितें तें खबर ना, जाल्यार life does not have much meaning. We have to know our past, we have to know our culture, we have to know what is our very own in this beautiful state of Goa. It's only then we can think of showing others as well as promoting it. It also generates employment for people at the grassroots level, to the poor communities, that is the ST community. They make various products, and if you look at the clothes that she designs by using the Kunbi weave, she herself weaves these saris and other cloths as well, which augurs well for employment, gainful employment, earning money for the poorest of poor people. So it is something which percolates down to the lowest level, which is very, very important.
As a part of the government, any initiatives can be planned?
Government also has taken several initiatives in this regard. And I think the biggest contribution, like today I received the Union Defence Minister. The first thing I did was presenting him a Kunbi shawl by wearing it on his neck. So he also knows that this is a Kunbi shawl. Only after that the bouquet comes. So now, even when the Honorable Chief Minister goes to Delhi, and even when I go and we meet Central Minister, as a local thing, like we try to wear a shawl for them, which is nothing but the same Kunbi material and Kunbi material shawl. Yes. Yeah, the best of clothes can be designed with a footprint or an imprint as well of the Kunbi material. That is what this dress also is about. So again, it's making a statement that whether it is designing purses, whether designing bags, whether designing clothes, whether designing saris of all hues, I think Kunbi material is the right material. It's not very expensive once you buy it as well.
Thank you.
आयज आमी बोगमालो बीच रिसॉर्ट यांच्यातर्फे एक इनिशिएटिव्ह घेऊन कुणबी लोकांक लागून एक प्रोग्राम ऑर्गनायज केलेलो आसा. कित्याक आमी पळयता बाकीच्या राज्यांनी आमी कशे वयता, राजस्थान वयता, गुजरात वयता, सो दे आर सेलिंग देअर प्रॉडक्ट्स की राजस्थानाचे स्पेशल हे डिझायन आसा, गुजरातचे स्पेशल हे आसा, महाराष्ट्राचे स्पेशल हे आसा, कर्नाटकाचे स्पेशल हे आसा, तशें गोंयचे आमचे आसात ते कुणबी. सो कुणबीक लागून गोंयची एक वळख जावपाक जाय, एक व्हडल्या स्तरार एका पावंक जाय म्हणून हो प्रोग्राम ऑर्गनायज केलेलो आसा टू प्रमोट द कुणबीज. आनी तुमी हांगा पळयले आसतले कुणबी पिपल जे आतां हांगा परफॉर्म करताले, तेंचे आमचे चाली रिती पयलींसून आमचे कितें संस्कार आसात ते आतां तुमकां दाखयताले. त्याच पद्दतीन कुणबी हो कित्याक तुमकां खबर आसा आतां मिडिया आणि वर्ल्ड सगळे डिफरंट म्हटल्यार डिजिटल हेतून गेलेले आसा सो जेणे करून आमचे पयलींचे जे कुणबी क्लॉथ्स आसात कुणबी आमचे धागे जे आसात ते एक मॉडर्न पद्दतीन कशे यूज करूं शकता तेका लागून आयज आमी वर्मा डिमेलो आमची डिझायनर आसात शी वील शोकेस द कुणबी क्लॉथ्स कशे यूज करपा जाता जेणे करून आत्ताचे जे यूथ्स आसात तेय त्याचो फायदो काडटाले आनी कुणबीक एक व्हडल्या स्तरार पावपाक एक खूब बरें आमकां बरें जातलें आनी हे सगळे इनिशिएटीव आमी घेवंक पावला आमचे दाबोलीचे MLA बाब मोविन कुदिनो हांकां लागून कित्याक तेंच्यांनी आमकां हे सगळे करपाक कितें स्पॉन्सरशीपय लागताच फाटल्यान आसतात ते करपाक सो ते सदांच आमच्या फाटल्यान आसता आनी सगळ्यांनी मेळून आमी आमची साधना मॅडम जी MD आसा तशेंच आमची वर्मा डिमेलो आनी हांव एज अ कॉर्डिनेटर आमी तिगांनी मेळून एक इनिशिएटीव घेतलेलो आसा आनी आमकां एक बरो तेंको दिलेलो आसा आणि एक बऱ्या पद्धतीन आयज एक इव्हेंट जातलो कुणबी सो कुणबी हो सब्जेक्ट घेवन सुद्दां एक ग्लॅमर कसो हाडपाचो हो आमचो प्रयत्न आसा ते तुमी आयज पळयताले